So a radial array and a drunk man walk into a bar, right? And you take your object and you scale it up without applying your scale, and you go under mesh tools in the Q menu, you activate radial array, and voila, we see that our scale is applied on the way in. It's important that your radial array has its scale applied so the empty doesn't come out all deformed. So that's one of the things first and foremost that I tried to have dealt with this particular array, meaning that if we were to press Q and we add a bevel and we go in and start adding a bevel to this, everything's going to be just peachy. And even better is if we were to just scale this object down on the Z to something even smaller and less satisfactory, deforming even our empty, we could press Q, go under mesh tools and adjust our radial array either through the radial array, and we see that nothing gets disturbed. But we can also adjust it under our array and nothing will also get disturbed, of course, while you're inside the dead zone circle. But just like that, we now have radial array able to work better with applied and unapplied scale, at least behaviorally, on the entry and re-entry of such a system. We could press Alt S and reset it, and that's just one of the first things we wanted to deal with, was eliminating scale related issues and just letting you know that this is one of the things that's avoided on entry but bypassed on re-entry, so it should resolve in a much more fluid radial array experience.